Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video, and in this video I'm gonna talking about the battery life of the Oppo Reno 3. And this phone comes with a 4025 mAh battery size with a 20-watt fast charger. And I also done the battery charging test of the Oppo Reno 3. If you are interested, watch that on my channel. And in this video I'm gonna talking about the battery life of the Oppo Reno 3. Okay guys, and first I'm gonna tell you that I first completely charged this phone up to 100%, and after that I set the brightness all the way up to max. After that I insert my sim in this phone, and guys, on the date of 26 April I charged this phone up to 100% in the evening, and then I started using this phone as my daily driver. And I also use the dark mode in this time. And guys, you can see that right now the battery percentage on this phone is at 14%, and about one day ago I charged this phone up to 100%, as guys you can see. And now let's go to the power usage and go to the yesterday option. And guys, you can see that I use the PUBG mobile game for about 1 hour and 30 minutes, as guys you can see. And I also use the YouTube for about 1 hour and 18 minutes. I use these apps in dark mode because I enable the dark mode system wide, so automatically these apps is go to dark mode. And I also use the camera for about 4 minutes, and I also use the Instagram for about 11 minutes, and I also use the Spotify app for about 10 minutes. I listen some music, and my volume is at 13 to 14. And on the next day I use the Facebook for about half hour, and again I use the YouTube for about half hour almost, and again I use the PUBG mobile game app for about 21 minutes, and I again use the Instagram app as well, as you can see. Same thing with the Spotify. And I also use the Twitter for about 3 minutes, as you can see. So overall I have to say that I really impressed by the battery life of the Oppo Reno 3. And now let's show you the screen on time, and you can see this phone gave me a 5 hours and 35 minutes screen on time with 100 brightness level. And guys, I only use the Wi-Fi all the time. I don't use the mobile data because I have Wi-Fi, so I don't use the mobile data. I always use the Wi-Fi, and this one gave me a 5 hours and 35 minutes screen on time since last full charge, which is about one day ago. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this battery life review of the Oppo Reno 3. And overall I have to say I really impressed by the battery life of the Oppo Reno 3. The battery life is excellent on the Oppo Reno 3, and let me know what you guys think about this new Oppo Reno 3, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.